Hello friends, welcome to Usman Chayin Physics Maths class. In our tutorial today, we'll be looking at one of the key formula which is playing a very vital role in mathematics and physics as well. That formula is called the general formula, given by ax squared plus bx plus c equal 0. This is the general formula. Okay, so if you have something like this, the first thing we need to do, this plus c should cross the equality sign, so that we should have ax squared plus bx equals 0 minus c. That is the first case. Okay, so this is ax squared plus bx equal to negative c. Now from here we can divide through by a, so that we have uh, a over a all over a, so that this a should cancel this a. We'll have x squared plus bx over a equal to negative c over a. Now from this very stage, we'll now add the square of half to the both side. So this is going to give us x squared plus b over 2a all in the bracket square equal to minus c over a plus b over 2a all in the bracket square. Okay, so from this very particular step, the next step is x plus b over 2a all in the bracket having the square equal to when you square this, you have negative c over a plus b squared all over 4a square. Okay, so from that very stage, we will now look for the LCM of these two, so that we'll be having x plus b over 2a then square equals to the LCM of a and 4a square is 4a square. So we have our 4a square. 4a square going to a, we're going to have 4a. So 4a multiplied by negative c, we have negative 4ac plus 4a square, we're going to 4a square 1 times b square, we're going to have b square. Okay, so if that is true, we're going to come down here having a plus b over 2a all in bracket square equal to rearrange, so that we have b square minus 4ac all over 4a square. All right, so removing this square, we'll take square root to this side. Okay, so the moment you put square root here, the square will disappear. So we'll be having x plus b over 2a is equal to square root of b square minus 4ac all over 4a square. And this square root, there must be plus or minus. Okay, so we have x plus b all over 2a is equal to plus or minus square root, considering the numerator, we have b squared minus 4ac. Now, taking the square root of 4a square, you're going to have 2a only, so we have 2a. From there, coming down here, we're going to have x will be equal to, when this crosses the equality sign, we have minus b over 2a plus or minus, then square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, so from that very stage, we can now look for the LCM of 2a and 2a, and that LCM will be 2a. So 2a will go into 2a is 2a, so our minus b will come down, plus or minus, then square root of b square minus 4ac. Okay, so this is what we call the general formula. If you are given b, you are given a, and you are given c, you can use this formula and solve any of the quadratic equation. Or in terms of making subject of the formula, you can also make use of this formula to solve certain problem there in physics. In case if this is your first time watching this very video, I encourage you to go to YouTube and subscribe to Usman Chain Physics Maths class. Follow Usman Chain Physics Maths class on Facebook and TikTok.